Welcome to the Palace Fundamentals YouTube channel. Be sure to check out more videos like this on our channel. We have breaking news for you today directly from Nuuk, Greenland. Donald Trump Jr., son of former U.S. President Donald Trump, has arrived in Nuuk.
His arrival has been confirmed by sources at KNR, Greenland's public service broadcaster, and by Miningwat Kleist, Greenland's head of Department for Independence and Foreign Affairs.
This visit comes at a time when Greenland is engaged in discussions about its independence from Denmark.
The reason for Trump Jr.'s visit is currently unknown.
There is speculation about a potential meeting with Erik Jensen, the leader of the Siumut Party, who also serves as Greenland's Minister of Finance and Taxation. Jensen extended an invitation to Trump Jr. shortly after Christmas.
Coincidentally, Greenland's Prime Minister Mute Bia recently postponed a meeting with the Danish king. No reason was given for the postponement.
Back in 2019, Donald Trump Sr. expressed interest in purchasing Greenland, a proposition that sparked significant debate.
Well, recently, in December of 2024, Eric Trump, another son of Donald Trump, shared an image on social media. The image depicted his father seemingly attempting to buy Canada, Greenland, and the Panama Canal on Amazon. The caption suggested a return to Trump Sr.'s past ambitions.
Following Jensen's invitation to Trump Jr., he clarified in a press release that Greenland is not for sale, but that Trump is welcome to visit.
The United States has a history of interest in Greenland, particularly during World War II, when the U.S. established a military presence there, due to its strategic location.
The U.S. continued to maintain a presence in Greenland even after the war.
The Thule Air Base, still in operation today, is one example of that continued presence.
Meanwhile, the discussion surrounding Greenland's independence from Denmark continues to gain momentum.
Recent polls indicate a majority of Greenlanders would support rejoining the European Union.
Prime Minister Ejed, in his New Year's speech, expressed his desire for Greenland to break free from the chains of colonial times.
Erik Jensen's party, the Siumut Party, has historically been more cautious in pursuing full independence from Denmark.
Greenland's potential independence would have political and economic implications for Denmark.
It could also impact Denmark's standing in the Arctic Council. And that wraps up this breaking news report on Donald Trump Jr.'s visit to Nuuk, Greenland. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they become available. You can stay informed by subscribing to our channel, Palace Fundamentals, on YouTube for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.